Joe got in. Up by out. At the middle, jersey number 16. First one, no good. Second by number 70. Over to the one of the ball. Ball goes like Sigo on the post. Beginning out his left ball underneath. 2 points. Choke shot back to Ramos. Got Rallies at the post. Del Monte pass. Big shots. 2 points. Panes. Tuaris. Smith. Ali back. Ali stops and pop. 2 points. What the ball is 6 at final. Choke shot back to Ramos. Heavy taps. Bombs. Feeling good. Bobby and Raul Ayali. Nice. Never stop. Good. Ali standing short. Ali's today. 33. Ali's. Oliver Stevens fired shots. 2 points. One over and right up over natin na lang. Third seven. Showtime tennis. Showtime tennis at the middle. Take the ball with Kenny. Bombs. Telephone back. Substitution. And Rodas in. And it's out. Ali. Ramos taken by Panes. Spin. Shot on the middle short. And one to go. Spin. Shots. No good. Sigio. Another support. Sigio palms. Sigio. To Sigio. Sigio leads it up. Banks it 2 points by Sigio. Official score of the game. 7-29. Ali to Sigio feeds. 1-0 second. 2 points. Down to 8-point lead. Ang ginawa ang ngayon naman ako din. 39-31. 3 minutes of the game.
Hindi pa yung doon. Hindi pa yung
Ramos leads. But there's no Michelle. Jersey number 7. He's Rodas' third personal penalty. All the way to Brian naman nila na.
Wala na kinakatawa. Doon na bita ka naman.
At the middle, jersey number 21 from DEG and Ramos shooting 2 free throws on the charity line. First try is good. Second try, younger Sneddy.
Anak niya, magiging kamukha niya.
That's to do by Ramos. Back to double deep lead. 5 on 3 from Ali. Started with Del Monte. Ali takes his time. 15 seconds to shoot. Ali. Panes. Out of bounds. Ball goes to the white shirts. Choke shot tennis. He runs the ball to Ramos. Ramos. Serving the ball. Ramos screen the corner. Ramos takes a low one in and out. Pabuto kay Alice. Alice with ball. Alice at the ball. Started with those spin shots. Banks it. 2 points. One by jersey number 23. Alice. Choke shot tennis. Alice. Takes shots. That's 2 for Alice. Choke shot tennis. To Del Monte at the post. Del Monte comes. Del Monte coming on Sigio. Spins. Traps. To the score. No good. Tapos ng kayo. Panes. Lose the ball. Choke shot. Got it with 2. But there's a whistle. Jump ball. He gave you ball. Wait. Ramos, counter by Panes. Ramos attacks. Bombs. Ramos, binali ng konti. 2 points. Panes. Hesitate for 3. Ice with the ball. Ice attacks at the middle. Binigay si Dio. Lose the ball. Makapugot ng eye. Ice play. Ice at the word. Bombs. Big. There's the whistle. Here's the number 13, Coca Tennis. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. That's to the bottom of jersey number 23, Yanis.
Anim na lang.
Jocha, on the ball to Ramos. To Kevin. Kevin attacks. Kevin. Shots underneath. 2 points. Rolasing bounce the ball twice. Screen by his brother. Lays it out like the middle. 2 points. Ramos down by Yanis. Ramos on the sneaking traffic. Del Monte at the post. Del Monte pumping Sigio. And there's no whistle. Here's another 4. Sigio needs to score 2 points by Yanis. 1 minute and 3 on the clock. Jocha.
Ay, sayang.
Del Monte with ball. Shots underneath. 2 points para Del Monte. 15 seconds on the game clock. Ice. Ice boundary at the middle. Cesarino blaze it up. 2 points. Del Monte shots over Sigio. 2 points. Ice. 30 seconds on the game clock. 15 seconds to 2. Ice bomb. There's no reason. Here's the number 21, Ramos. He's taking personal foul penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. At the middle, jersey number 23 from Blackray. Alex shooting 2 free throws on the down line. First nice shoot. Bottom up on same drive. Second drive jumpers ready. That's 2-2. Shot round is off. 22 seconds on the game clock. Ramos. Margayanis. Baby. Attacks at the middle. Lays it up. Make the shot. 2 points. 9 on the clock. Nice. Here's the ball. Napupunta na Ramos. 2 seconds. Long under the Ramos at the middle, shares the ball with Del Monte. Come on, very good. Eyes with the ball. Amanol. Sigio schemes at the middle. Shares the ball with Ice. Foul will take off open the line. 7 to Bagan. 7 apart. Sigio to Ice. Sorry by Bagan. Ang Bagan speeds. 40 seconds on the shot clock. to Serrano. They shoot. Serrano attacks to Del Monte. The first score of the game 57-53. 2 points. Ay, so na sa loob na yung mapupunta kay Serrano. David pa rin kami na mapupunta yung break. Out of bounds. Ang pangan. Ramos, sama sa taas ng termino. Bottle for goal. Mapupunta kay Anis. Anis sa taas. Spin, shots, lazy run. One shot is good. 59-55, Ramos attack. Ramos speeds, shots, good. Alice to the board. Alice, another Alice back to his brother. Extra pass to Sikyo. 2 points. Down to 2 points lead. Timeout. Timeout, TDG. 1 timeout remaining. Para sa mga puti. Fisher scored the game 59-57, 11 minutes and 50 seconds.
All na.
Ramos, organizing traffic. Ramos now, six defender. But there's no whistle. Foul on the ground. Jersey number 16, that is the second personal foul. First team foul. Ambagan. Ambagan at the middle. Ambagan. At the post, Del Monte. Del Monte shots over Rally. 7th quarter, no good. Locking it up out of bounds. Last play goal.
Nakapay mo ata ako, Che. Siyempre.
Back to Sikyo. Sikyo, hesitates. Sikyo to CJ. 3 balls. In and out. Serrano to the board. Serrano to the corner. Serrano. Blocks. Serrano pops. Shots. Banks in for points. Finals attack. Scored by Ambagan. Ambagan loses it. Pabulo by Sikyo. Sikyo attacks. Wild shot. Good. Pabulo by Del Monte. Del Monte spin. Shots. Banks in. 2 points and foul. Jersey number 27. Minus his first personal foul. Second team foul. At the middle of jersey number 15. Del Monte to his bonus throw. Jumpers ready. 3-point plays completed ball right. Jersey number 15, Del Monte, TDG. Ice. Attack. Lose it. Out of bounds. Fisher scored the game 64-59. Back to 5 TDs. 5-point lead. Para sa mga play ang Baratas. Shares the ball with Serrano. Offensive 2 points. Sikyo. Here comes Sikyo for Panes. Tualis, Alice, still good. Ambagan on the board. Ambagan to Serrano. 2 points.
Tumakad na naman ako.
68-59. Here comes Sikyo. Dumila pa, layup pa. 2 points. Ambagan to Ramos. Spin. Ramos attacks. Ramos bombs. Ramos 2 points. Ali's at the post, guarded by Serrano. Speed. Ali shots, bangs it, 2 points. Ramos inbounds the ball to Ambaran. Guarded by Panes. Ambaran takes his time. Serves the ball para sa TKG. Binigay Del Monte at the post. Del Monte attacks. Del Monte pumps. Del Monte shots. 2 points. Panes, easy. Rap, takes shots, bangs it, 2 points. Ramos, gandaan ang bola, magtitimo para sa mga kapatid. Carter Stiglitz, screen, hindi ginamit, Ramos palm. Ramos, spins, fades, don't Baran. Extra pass to Serrano pass, lose it, mapupunta kay Rap, 2 points. Official score of the game, 72-67. Balik sa rin mga kalapangan mga kapatid. Ramos, kakagagalan ba? Ramos takes a low one short. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Kuwatri.
Sad boy ah.
Sigio. Guard by 2. Sigio. Dualis. Alice, to another Alice. Shot. 2 points. Serrano inbounds the ball to Ramos. Ramos to Serrano. Serrano pumps. Shots. Block. Tapi ka na bola pupunta kay Serrano. Serrano looking for his teammates. Napatay Sigio to Alice. Alice shots. 2 points para jersey number 23. Down 1 point lead, 72-71. Ramos for 3. In and out, top in the ball. Alice to another Alice. To Sigio pass. Ball moves, still good. Del Monte, but there's always no.
Payuan ng boya.
Jersey number 23, Alice. Third personal foul. 13 foul. Timeout.
Hello, bro.
Back to
Oo nga
the
eh. Nakikita mo ba mga post?
Sir Eugene, pinalagpag ko mo ito na yan ah. Mga
Wala yung pinipigil.
Ambaran comes out the middle. Ambaran shares the ball with Ramos. Binaya ng konti, 2 points.
Ako nila beso, nagbalis kami rin. Tapos namin
Sigio. To Alice. Alice backs. Alice receiving. Sigio shots. Yeah, Serrano. Serrano shares the ball with Del Monte. Del Monte attacks. Del Monte made it no good. Del Monte again. 2 points. Panes. Going for teammate CJ. Shots, 80 over, no good. Ambaran face. Ambaran space. Ambaran loses it out of bounds. The ball goes to the white shirts. 76-71.
Di pa lumalabas siya ng
Ambaran, binigyan ng sponsor ni Panes. To Del Monte. Del Monte takes a long one. Del Monte 3. Panes, long lead, 4. Del Monte underneath, 2 points. Panes. Alice Dax, Alice, wall shot, 2 points. Ambaran, got it by Panes. Ambaran at the middle, shares the ball with Ramos. Ramos to Serrano. That's a good play, 2 points. Alice Dax to another Alice, bangs it, 2 points. Ambaran orchestrating traffic para sa mga kapatid. Ambaran to Ramos at the post. Ramos. Lower team is Ramos. Ramos attacks, one undershot. 2 points.
Yung mga laban nila.
Sigio to Panes.
Ayun.
Panes. To Alice. Alice to Alice speed. Alice shots. 2 points center.
May pangalan
On
nila.
this number. Serrano second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. I believe the jersey number 23 from Crash. Or is supposed to stroke or keep on playing on position.
Ayos ah.
Meron gago. 1,000. Bayad diba? Kanina sa trending natin.
3-1 plays completed para Yanis.
Gago buong laro na yan.
Official score of the game 85-70. Del Monte, 3 balls. Very good. Sige nila pa sa Monte. Sigio. Space. Shots. 2 points.
Gago kung magkano na si Ate Pina. Diba? Yung nakakita na sa
Kevin attacks. Kevin speeds. Fadeaway short. Out of bounds. The ball goes to the brown shirts. Panes. Panes to Alice. Got number 2. Alice. To Panes. Panes shots. Green light. 2 points. Ampara attacks. Nagmamadali. 1 undershot. 2 points. Panes. Panes doon for stealing to Alice at the post. Alice. Number 2. Alice. To Panes. Panes. Shots. 2 points. Ampara balls. Ampara. Out of bounds.
Kami rin wala.
Flash away ball.
Hindi kami rin wala.
Panes.
dito pala
To
yan eh.
Sigio. To Alice at the post. Alice. Got it by Kevin. Alice.
Nag-okay.
Alice. Pops. Alice. Loses the ball. Kevin to Del Monte. Foul. Here's number 23. Alice. Hit. Warning to graduate. Warning to penalty. First rise good para kay Del Monte. Central young personality. Central's good. Sigio attacks. Sigio string for everybody. Shots on corner. Good. Kevin with the board. Kevin bombs. Kevin beats. Shots. Very good. Nothing at all. Focus on Sigio ulit. Visual score of the game 89-84. 4 minutes exactly on the game clock. Del Monte. Del Monte attacks. Del Monte spins. Shots. Banks it 2 points.
Wala tayo!
Panes. Got it by Panes attacks. Panes. Tuanis out of bounds. The ball goes to the white shirts. Del Monte at the post. Del Monte got it by Alice. Del Monte showing his talent. Del Monte pump. Hail Mary shot. Very good. Sabi ng mga po kay Kevin to Ramos. Ramos speeds. Ramos. That's it with Sigio. Ramos pass. Ramos. To Kevin. Kevin laser. That's it. 2 points. Alice. Green light. 2 points. Ramos.
Sayang, Sam.
Ramos. To Del Monte. Del Monte loses the ball. Del Monte. Bombs. Del Monte. 2 points. All correct. All correct. Warning jersey number 23 Alice for Bulacan. Ambagan, Oregon State traffic. Ambagan, Oregon Finance, ice play and Ginawag. Ambagan lays it up. Bangs it, 2 points. Sigio. Sigio attacks. Sigio. Sigio speeds. Shots at the middle of the good. Del Monte. Binigay Ramos. Ramos attacks. Bangs it, 2 points.
Naku. 9.
97-88, 9-point lead enjoyed by the Whitehurst. There's a whistle. There's a jersey number 21, Ramos. His third personal foul, 17th round. Panes, he wants the ball to Alice. Alice. Alice attacks. Alice. Foul, jersey number 11, Kevin. His second personal foul, 13 pounds. At the middle, jersey number 23, from clutch play. Alice shooting 2 free throws on the target line. First try short. Second try jumpers ready. Next one for two, Official score of the game, 97-89, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Ambagan, Oregon State traffic. Ambagan, shares the ball with Del Monte. 2 points. Panes to Alice, followed by Jackie. Alice attacks, Alice shots, 2 points. Ramos inbound the ball to Ambagan. Ambagan dancing with Alice. Ambagan shows talent. Lose the ball, Alice. You're proceeding, Sigio receives it. Stop and pop, 2 points. 99-93, 2 minutes and 10. Ramos attacks. Shares the ball with Del Monte, 2 points. 101-93. Alice. That's 2 minutes. Alice attacks. Alice sees the ring at 2 points. Ramos inbounds the ball from Alice. Ramos. Sizing up Sigio. Ramos speeds. Ramos squad dancing with Pantropico. Traveling violation. Time.
Babatay ako rito.
Alice attacks. Alice started the Monte. Alice speeds. Alice loses the ball. White ball. Ramos, Ambagan. Ambagan, orchestrating the lane. Oliver Rojas. Ambagan.
Ay, mapuntahan kasi.
Ambagan, one shot, bigay ng Monte, but there's a foul. On jersey number 23, Graduate.
Graduate na.
Clutch plays in penalty situation.
Pagod na si Alice.
First line on jersey number 15 from THG, Dan Milton. Very good.
Ay,
Alice will board. Alice to Sigio. Sigio shot.
Ay.
Overshoots. Taping ang bola. Pupunta kay Rodas. Rodas. Wide shot. Very good. Del Monte. Tuwang bola. Ang bola. There's a whistle. And a foul. And there's the number 7. Rodas is fourth. Personal foul. Penalty.
Guys, eliminated.
First right short. Baga. Jersey number 7 of Baga. Same guy jumpers ready.
Sayang.
No good. Alice to Sigio. Sigio. Shots already. 2 balls. Last 1 minute. 1:03.97. Ramos. Got it by Rodas. Ramos dancing with Rodas. Ramos taps. Ramos speeds. There's a whistle. And a foul. On jersey number 7, Rodas. Grabe.
Wala sino.
Next game natin is Euromil.
Nakapalit.
DV. First line Ramos na nag-lead. Second line jumpers ready. Second line is good by Ramos. No good. Nakabigyan ng bola pupunta kay Ambagan. Ambagan. Fouled by Alice. His third personal foul. Penalty.
TJ. Ah, dito.
Finance, the inbounds of Bodoales, back to Finance. Finance, long 3, short. Out of bounds.
Ayan.